Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Minecraft Mizu-Yokan. I'm just kidding, it's 2-layer Mizu-Yokan. A layer of soft Azuki Bean Jelly and a layer of Matcha Jelly. They match really well together. The recipe is super easy, however you don't want to leave the first layer too long. You wanted to pour in the next layer just before the first layer hardens. Otherwise they won't stick together and the layer peels off. The timing is important. I will show you how in this video. I hope you find this video helpful and I hope you can try it out. Let's make soft Azuki Bean Jelly first. Put agar-agar powder and water in a pot and mix well. Bring to a boil and boil on low for 2 minutes. Or prepare as directed on its package. Stop the heat, add Koshi-an sweet Azuki red bean paste without skins and mix well. Mix in a pinch of salt to taste. Pour it into a square pan or any container is okay. Then immediately start making matcha jelly. In a small bowl, put granulated sugar and agar-agar powder and sifted matcha green tea powder. Then mix very well with a spoon. Put the mixture in the pot and add water. Now again bring to a boil and boil on low for 2 minutes. Pour in the matcha jelly when the skin forms. As you can see, Azuki Bean Jelly is still jiggling. Remove the air bubbles and leave to cool. Do not move too soon or layers will be mixed. Cool in the fridge for about 2 hours. Now remove from the pan and cut to serve. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.いただきます。くっついてない方からいただきます。じゃあくっついてる方も食べてみよう。
どっちの方が美味しいですか？
はい、くっついている方が美味しいです。
どうしてですか？
味に一体感があるからくっついている方が断然美味しいです。
ぜひ皆さんも気をつけて作ってみてください。
またねー。
鬼は昔は夏に出てきます。頭に角があります。
どれ？正解、すごい。
I work in Paris. I study in Paris. I study in Tokyo. I live in Tokyo. I'm a student. I study in Tokyo. I'm a model. I work in Paris.